strangers, here we are now. Entertain us, I feel stupid and contagious. Here we are now. Entertain us, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another Pass the Guitar song tutorials. And in today's video, we're gonna cover the one and only Nirvana with Smells Like Teen Spirit. What a classic from the 90s, a true representation of grunge music and a must song to play on the guitar. Well, I consider it a must because I love Nirvana, and I know that if you are here trying to learn this song, it means that you also love Nirvana, so you agree with me, right? But well, hey, before we move on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click on that bell so you can be the first one to get and to hear about the fresh new content that we bring to you in this channel. With no further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, first of all, let's cover those chords. We're gonna be using E major, A major, G major, and C major. And last but not least, we're also going to be using F major, which you can play a smaller version of it with a small bar, but I highly recommend using the big bar so we can have that beefy sound of the low end of the guitar. Cool. Before we move on, I always talk about the capos. In this song, we would have to be using the capo on the first fret if we want to play along with Nirvana. But for the lesson, I am not going to be using the capo. You know the drill. I want everybody to be able to play along and follow up, even if they do not have a capo. So get yourself one if you want to play along with Nirvana. Let's cover the strumming patterns. There is an S there because there is definitely at least two, plus a rhythm that we're going to be used for the post-chorus. We're going to get to the post-chorus in the form section of this video, okay? So the two strumming patterns are used for different parts of the song. The first one that we're going to cover is very iconic rhythm. It's literally, when you listen to it, you hear the song itself. The second one also reminds you of the song, but it's for another specific part of the song. So let's take a look at the first one, this one here. Well, let me play it first so you get used to the sound, but if you know how to read this rhythm, by all means, just play along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. There it is. That's the rhythm. You probably already recognize it. So let's plug in. This time I want to plug in two chords. And the reason why is because throughout this song, we're going to be playing two chords per measure anyways, and this strumming pattern is very specific. We got to learn how to separate the strumming pattern for the two chords. I'm going to be using the measure that we go from E major to A major. So as you can see, we move from E major to A major, and A major only gets the last two hits of the strumming pattern. When we say and 4, that's going to be A. So E, 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 A. 1, 2, 3, A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. That's how we're going to play this one. You apply the same idea when we move from G to C, which you're going to see when we cover the chord progression. But the strumming pattern gets split like that. The second chord of the measure gets the last two hits. All right, next strumming pattern is this one, and this one is a little bit simpler. It's two equal rhythms, like the two halves are equal rhythms, and it makes it easier to move from one chord to the other on this one because they get literally half of the measure, and you get to play the same strumming, the same rhythm for each chord. So let's cover first without anything, with just the muted strings. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, 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 down. That's it. Let's go straight into plugging in a measure with 2 chords, and I'm going to use again E major moving to A major. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, 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 down. That's it for strumming patterns. We're also going to cover the rhythm of the post-chorus in the next section of the video. All right, so let's move on to the form. Well, this song has a lot of parts, and it may feel like a little overwhelming because it does have a lot of parts. They all have the same chord progression with the exception of the post-chorus. So we have intros, interludes, verses, pre-choruses, choruses, post-choruses, solo. There's a lot of parts, but don't feel so intimidated. The strumming pattern that we learned, the first one with the iconic rhythm, we're going to be using for choruses and solo and the intro. And then the second strumming pattern, where it's going to cover the interludes, verses, and pre-choruses. And the chord progression is this one. The same chord progression for every part of the song with the exception of the post-chorus. And it's a 2-bar phrase pretty much. You have one measure where you move from E to A, and on the second measure, you move from G to C. And that gets repeated all over. So if you want to play the song really well, get used to moving from E to A and then A to G and G to C, back to E and so forth, because you're going to be doing this a lot for this song. So let's cover the verse rhythm and interludes and pre-choruses, which is the simpler rhythm with just downstrokes. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. E, 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 A, 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 G, 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 C, C, C. That's it. With that, you just put this into an interlude, which is literally the same thing as a verse. It's just right before they start singing the verse, they play some instrumental with this rhythm. And then you can also use the same chord progression and rhythm for the verse and the pre-chorus. And the pre-chorus is when they sing hello, 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 hello. All right, let's move on to the other strumming pattern, which we're gonna use for intros, choruses, and the solo. So let's take a look at the chorus, which is the iconic part of the song. Anyways, same idea, but remember when we covered the strumming pattern, the second chord of the measure gets only the last 2 hits, which is the and 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3. And 4, E, 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 A, A, G, 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 C, C, lights out, it's less dangerous, here we are now. That's it, that's the second strumming pattern, or the first one, whatever order you consider, but this is the one that we use for the chorus and for intro and for the solo as well. Cool, let's move on to the post-chorus. Even though it's very short, it only happens 2 times, happens after the first chorus and happens after the second chorus, and it's only 4 bars, as you can see underneath, it is really iconic and very important. So even though it's 4 measures, the phrase is only 2 bars. It's E moving to F, and then E going to A and then G. And the rhythm is really pretty similar. You're moving from 4 hits on E, and then 1 hit on F with a rest after that, and then 4 hits on E, and then a hit on A and on G. So 8th notes, 4 8th notes on E, and then a quarter note on F, and then a rest, and then 4 8th notes on E again, a quarter note on A, and 1 quarter note on G. So let's put it together and let's play it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, rest, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, E, 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 F, rest, E, 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 A, G. That's a wrap for this video. This is Smells Like Teen Spirit. What a fantastic song. But hey, if you want to dive deeper into this song and get so much more and get to actually learn and share with others, join us over at passtheguitar.live. Take a look at this video and check out our community. I bet you're gonna love being part of this learning environment. You get the chance to learn a bunch of songs and share and meet new people close to you, and also get the chance to play on our open mics and so forth. So check out the video or go to our website www.passtheguitar.live. My name is David Cordero. This has been Smells Like Teen Spirit. I'll see you on the next video. With the lights out, it's less dangerous